Wayne, how's your psychology test going? Mine's still going on. Why is there people? What have you got in your mouth? They're good dog. What's going on?
Should have explained before we started filming.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you see all these people in the audience. We normally have an audience.
We do.
But you'll notice this one's a little bit bigger.
It is. I thought it was just new fans, right?
Not all of them are actually fans.
Really?
You see the second one back there with the bald head?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That's Q. He's got a mask on.
Oh wow. So how about that old man guy with the beard?
That's M.
Oh no, yeah, I didn't mean that. What about the guy at the back? The only guy that's going.
That's the other kind of fan. Remember the one that keeps everything cold?
Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah. So no M jokes. I would say any anyway.
We wouldn't say any M jokes anyway.
No. We never do.
Lovely lady she is.
She is. Yeah. So what's that?
Standard issue. Q gave it to me. It's a gadget.
Okay. So what does it do?
That's the problem.
Problem?
This is my psychology test. It's still ongoing.
Okay.
I have to work out what this does.
Right.
I have to suggest what it is, and they have a little clipboard of things, and apparently it will test my well-being and stuff like that. You know. Yeah.
So have you got any ideas what it could be?
I have a few. Put yourself in this situation. You in there?
Yeah.
It's not that. Put yourself in this situation.
Oh, I'm not sure I can do that one, mate.
Right, I'll paint you a picture then so you can see. Right. You're in
I'm
Yemen.
in Yemen.
This has been the first stage of a mission, see.
Yeah.
It's not too strenuous, but you're a little bit stressed.
Sure.
So you go to a pub in the evening to chill out, relax, have a bit of you time. You deserve it.
Oh,
you do.
thank
You
you.
do a
Yeah,
really good job. Really good. Anyway, these two guys are in the pub as well. They're giving you some dodgy looks. You
All
don't
right.
know them, but you suggest in your head they might be a bit dodgy.
All right. Okay.
But you can't be certain because they're quite discreet. Anyway, later on, you leave the pub and, being you,
Yeah.
you've parked over the other side of the car park.
I do always do that, but it's good exercise to go all the way. You know, walking.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
I'll do that from now
Yeah,
on.
it's good.
Anyway, on your way over to the car, it's pitch black.
Pitch black.
You get jumped.
Get jumped?
It turns out it is the guys from the bar.
Oh no!
Right?
Right.
So one of them puts a gun to your head and says,
Oh no!
"Do you have a bone-like object?" So you just beat him up.
Wait. So what happens then?
Well, the
What do you
gadget,
do?
you go back to Q and you say, "Thanks for the bone, mate."
I think you're really onto something.
I
there.
think do you reckon I'll pass?
I think you will, but one question, Wayne.
Yeah.
What's this got to do with density?
You know, I don't know.
Maybe it's something to do with how dense your brain is, and something like that.
Perhaps.
Maybe.
Perhaps we should start with an easier example to check we know it, you know?
Yeah. So density. That's like mass over volume, right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
exactly it. So, density, I'm going to represent with a D for now,
Yeah.
equals mass, M.
M over volume. V. We did volume a bit earlier.
D could also stand for distance. Do you know anything else?
I do. Row, not just rowing your boat. Like a really elongated P.
Elongated P.
Yeah.
That stands for density
As well. Yeah. So, okay, how about E's like the board, yeah?
Easy, I like the board. It's
The
a
board's
nice
good.
shape.
It's good. So, first we need to work out volume.
Yeah, and that's a step they might put in your exams. They might
Yeah.
work out the volume of this cube, then they give you a mass, and so on.
Yeah. So volume is in meters cubed, so we need 3 dimensions.
Yes.
So the height of it's like, I don't know,
1.5 metres.
1.5 meters. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. And the length of it's maybe 2 meters.
I would say, we're estimating.
Yeah, we're guessing. And I think that's about 2 centimeters.
Okay, so that's 0.02 metres because we have to keep it all in metres.
Absolutely.
So, do you know what that is?
I'll work that out for you. So what's the mass, Gwen?
Well, I'm going to estimate the mass. You ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
10 kilograms.
10 kilograms.
Yep, it's not a very heavy board. It's okay.
Ah.
It's okay.
1 second, I typed down the wrong number, so I'll just do it again.
So
Okay.
this is the volume we're working at here.
Mhm. So we got 0.06 as the
6, and it's metres
cubed.
cubed.
Yeah. So we got your mass. What did you say it was?
I said 10
10
kilograms.
kilograms. Okay.
Again, I'm estimating, but it might be quite accurate.
So 10
Divided by
our 0.06, and that gives us our density, and that gives us 166.7 to 1 decimal place.
166.7. That's
Yep.
going to be kilograms per metres cubed.
Ah, yeah. And you can write it like that, or you can do meters to the -3, and that means the same thing.
So now we've done that example, shall we estimate a brain?
I think we should. So, should your head?
Okay.
All right, I'll do measurements. Go profile for me. All right,
Profile.
okay. So I think here's about 20 centimeters,
Mhm.
about 15, and I reckon 10.
Okay, so that's
So,
what's that?
0.0
0.2 times
yeah.
0.15 times 0.1. I think you said.
Yeah. And that gives you.
Except you said in metres.
I did. That gives you well, it doesn't in standard form, which we'll go on to a bit later, but 0.003.
We do have a standard form video you can check out. It's earlier on in the playlist if you're in the playlist.
Yeah.
Yep. So we've got that. And now the mess of a brain.
How heavy's your head?
That's not going too well for me.
No, I could cut it off and test it, but that might be an issue for you. You don't want to do anything really.
No.
Let's go for 5 kilograms. Right, right.
Fair.
Maybe. That's quite heavy, but might not be.
5 over 0.003. This is an estimate of the density of brain. Let's see if it's more density.
That's really dense.
Is it?
Yeah.
Go on then.
1,666.
66.
0.7
kilograms
per metre cubed.
That's fair. I mean, I've got a lot of memories up here and a lot of knowledge of GCSE maths.
I think you have, so I think maybe they're right.
If it got much denser though, you'd probably be a cannonball.
Yeah, I mean, I like cannonballs, but I don't want to be fired out of a cannon.
That would be a mess, wouldn't it?
A terrible mess.
You wouldn't clean that up for a while.
No.
Anyway, so I think the psychology test results are in for me. I don't know about you.
Wow, maybe, let's find out.
I've got more tests to go though, so good luck with them. Good luck with
Thank
them.
you.